Piss off, lady. Jesus Christ, enough calling me. We'll call me 3 times a day. And that's it.
I missed this last year. I was in England.
Were you really?
Yeah, we didn't get back to the 5th.
It's on the fireworks.
The what?
Fireworks, that fireworks.
Sure.
Ireland?
What?
Ireland?
We were still in Manchester. A year ago today we were in Manchester getting ready to go home.
I was saying, you just go to the area in Ireland with the fireworks.
We were going, yeah, just 231 years ago.
Do we have a holiday where you celebrate the year? Do you have a holiday where you mourn that ass whooping, or?
Yeah.
No, it just goes July 3rd, July 5th.
It is a joke. Well, the sun used to never set on the British Empire. Now it's just pretty quickly now, doesn't it?
What?
That is a joke. They used to say the sun never sets on the British Empire. It sets on the country now, doesn't it? Where's that blanket? That's how.
Going? Yeah. Yeah, check it. You like undressing me, don't you? Shut up.
I've always loved that fireworks with that time delay. You know?
Oh, the
Sound delay.
I think about fireworks and one more. Just kidding, folks.